Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zoom step by step clearly. Open your Zoom application. If you haven't installed Zoom yet, visit the Zoom website and download the app. Once installed, open the app. You will see two main options: sign in and join a meeting. If you already have an account, click sign in. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. After signing in, you will be taken to your Zoom home screen. If you need to join a meeting, click the Join button. In the dialog box, type the meeting ID or personal link name. If prompted, enter your name and select whether to join with video on or off. Click Join to enter the meeting. If the meeting requires a password, enter it when prompted. You will be connected to the Zoom meeting. If you wish to schedule a new meeting, click the Schedule button on the home screen. Fill in the necessary details, including the date, time, and duration. You can also set up additional options such as recurring meetings and requiring a meeting password. Once completed, click Save to finish scheduling. You can now invite participants by sharing the meeting details. To start the scheduled meeting, go back to your home screen and click on Meetings. Select your upcoming meeting and click Start. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.